quiet, power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase card, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud. Now just whispers in the crowd.
Babalan TV.
Hello Virgo, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is your bonus reading for February the 8th to February the 14th reading. Ayan. So bonus po ito ha, meron na po tayong February the 8th to February the 14th reading na naka-post. So update lang ito. Again, hindi po siya late. For those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, doon po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel na catered for our international audience. So again, nagla-live tayo doon. Pwede kayo magtanong. Meron din po doon mga readings specifically for February's meron na rin pong February the 8th to February the 14th reading doon. So kung hindi kayo nakaka-resonate dito, baka na dun po ang inyong reading. So that's totally a different reading. I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire sessions or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of it. Take what's only yours. Parang meron tayo ditong either tinatawag, no? Either tinatawag, gustong i-vanish, want things for sure, or gustong protektahan. Want things for sure. Kung ano man itong energy na ito, this is something very important to us. So parang sinasabi natin na, let's say kung feeling natin na kamalasan ito, hindi, we're trying to rebuke, no? Itong mga negativities na nangyayari. If this is an energy that we want to experience, of course, we want to experience something good. So this is somewhat prayers, wishes, spell, what? Yung parang lucky charms, no, yung mga ganyan. If we probably want to make the situation stay, not go away, siguro this is for protection, no, for health also. One thing's for sure, you're doing a lot of things right now. Pwedeng ang dami-dami mong ginagawa, hindi natin naaasikaso ang mga bagay-bagay. Or kulang yung oras natin kung naaasikaso natin siya. No? Parang kulang, parang wala ikaw naman ang time para sa sarili mo. No? But things are going good. Kaso medyo, yun nga, medyo nagiging hectic. Hindi dahil nagko-complain. 'Di ba? Lalo na kung nag-grow naman tayo dito. So, who are we to complain? No, nung wala nga tayong trabaho, nung wala nga pumapasok sa ating pera, we're really asking for this to happen. No, yun nga lang, nung nagkaroon ng blessing, it pours. Again, no complain. Sana lang meron tayong parang clone, no? Panibagong katawan to mag-asikaso ng ibang mga bagay. But then again, like what I mentioned, we have been waiting for this for quite a while with the 7 of Cups and the 4 of Cups. Bakit parang feeling natin meron tayong nakaligtaan? Kumbaga, meron tayong project na ginagawa, meron tayong isang bagay na pinagtutuunan ng pansin ngayon. No matter how focused we are, parang meron tayong na-miss, no? Na step. No? Kunyari sa pagluluto, nagpiprito tayo, no? Nilagay na natin dun yung, let's say, meat. Hala, nakalimutan pala natin ilagay yung mantika, no? Some sort of like that. With the Knight of Wands naman, parang feeling ko, umaandar na siya. Somehow it's working. Pero parang hindi ka pa nasasatisfy sa ginagawa mo. Ha? And the Two of Swords. Ngayon, parang gusto mo naman sigurong ihinto. When it comes to love, what I am seeing in here, siguro we ask, no, for this person to siguro bigyan tayo ng pansin, ibigay yung kanyang time, energy. Bakit parang nung ginagawa na nung person, sabi mo, sandali lang ha, I feel something off, parang may mali, hindi ko alam, hindi ko ma-explain, hindi ko rin maintindihan. Pero pwede bang i-pause muna natin, either itigil natin, um, siguro hindi itigil, i-pause nga, i-pause, pansamantala I need some time, no? Para makapag-isip-isip. Kasi parang may trigger deep inside of you that you are not sure of if this is galit, pag-alala, um, may mali. May mali sa energy. Hindi mo lang ma-pinpoint, no? Kaya parang sabi mo, sandali lang, wait lang ha. Pag-iisipan ko mabuti. Ngayon, half-hearted tayo, no? Sa isang probably sitwasyon. You tried surpassing all of these. You probably tried, hindi mo na tignan, no? Itong sinasabi nating gut feeling, no? Yung intuition. Habang nire-reject natin yung signs, habang nire-reject natin yung idea, the more na parang lalo itong nagkakaroon ng parang lalo itong lumalakas, mas lalo tayong kabado. Alam niyo yung kabang excitement, you can distinguish that. Pero yung kabang may takot na parang may mangyayari, that's something that you're really worried of. With the Seven of Pentacles and the Temperance, okay, siguro sabi mo dito sa sarili mo, "Sandali, baka mamaya paranoid lang ako, baka meron sa'king hormonal imbalance, or baka, you're trying to point out something. Siguro baka ito ay moon phase lang, 'no, or baka mali yung nakain ko, or baka mali lang ang tulog ko ngayong araw na ito." Um, Parang ina-avoid pa rin natin. So, medyo meron pa ring katigasan ng ating ulo with the Hanged Woman. Hindi tayo mapakali with the Queen of Cups. Ito ba yung sinasabing, andali, mahal ba ako ng taong to? No? If this is monetary wise, may lumapit, nangihiram, ah, ayaw mo talaga eh. Pero sabihin natin nakuha ka sa kwento nila, nung nakapag-promise ka na, you're just about to give the money or lend the money. Not really give, lend the money. Bigla kang kinabahan, parang feeling mo iba yung mangyayari, parang hindi mababayaran, no? Siguro sabi mo, ay, siguro masama lang iniisip ko dito sa taong to, no? But I'm going to give it anyway. Ngayon na ibigay mo na bigla mong ngayon naisip, sandali, paano pala siya makakapagbayad? Hindi, wala naman siyang trabaho, no? Paano niya maibabalik kung hindi siya nagtatrabaho with the 10 of Wands and the Hierophant? So, malaki yung bumabagabag sa puso natin. Medyo mabigat dahil hindi natin sure, no? Kaya nga ang sabi natin dito, probably you're praying for protection, na sana hindi mangyari nga yung naiisip mo. Probably you're casting a spell to make, these negativities go away, or probably, mabago yung isip ng person mo na sinasabi mo na, sandali, sana ano siya ha, sana kung meron man siyang pinaplanong hindi maganda, no, sana mawala yan sa isip niya, mabigyan siya ng clarity, no? With the Three of Pentacles and the Five of Wands, kahit anong gawin natin, so ngayon naglalaban ang puso at isip natin, no? Kung buhay pag-ibig ito, nandun ka na dun sa part na hindi ko sure kung either mahal ba ako nito o mahal ko siya, may mali talaga. Hindi nag-a-align ang isip ko sa puso ko, no? Partly masaya, partly hindi, partly na oo, partly na ayaw, no? With the Ace of Pentacles and the Nine of Wands. So kung ano man itong solusyon na hinahanap mo, kapayapaan, no, ng puso mo, I feel like things are going to happen. Unti-unti na magbubukas this week, no? Yeah, 8 to 14. Nangyayari na siya ngayon. Somehow yung kasagutan, yung kapayapaan, yun ang pinaka-importante kasi sa tao, no? more than the amount itself, no? Pwedeng ang dami-dami mo ngang pera, no? Madami kang ngang savings, madami kang assets, pero 'di ba yung mga sobrang yaman na hindi na sila nakakalabas ng normal, kailangan may bodyguard, kailangan laging, yung merong nakatingin sa kanila dahil baka any moment, may nagtatangka sa buhay nila. That's the price they have to pay, for having a lot of wealth. Hindi na normal yung, hindi ko sinasabing masama. If that works for them, that works for them. Um, will that work for you? For me, I think I can manage. Kini-claim ko 'no, hindi naman din kasi ako palalabas. So, as you can see palagi lang ako nasa table, so masaya na ako dito, kausap kayo, doing readings. So, bibigyan ako ng gano'ng yaman, hindi mahihirapan yung mga tao sa labas kasi hindi naman ako makikita. Madadalian lang yung mga taong probably yung, I'll be getting for my, security, nakatayo lang kasi hindi man ako halos gumagalaw 'no. Sa iisang lugar lang ako, paikot-ikot, ayan. But anyway, what I'm trying to say in here, kung ito'y buhay pag-ibig, no? Parang nandun ka na sa sitwasyon, eto na eh. Are you asking for more? Are you asking for another person? Are you asking if this is the right person? You're probably in a situation na binigay na pero hindi ka ngayon sure. Dating hinihingi, nung nasa iyo na, hindi masyadong sure kung ready ba siya? Kasi dumadating yan eh, 'no? Feeling natin ready tayo pero na 'pag nandun na medyo parang, "Ay, wait ha, hihinga muna ako ng malalim," 'no? Um, Alam niyo yung feeling na kasi nafi-feel ko yun ngayon yung parang yung off, eto dahil sa reading, may off, 'no? Okay gusto ko yung nangyayari pero parang ayaw ko din. I'm caught between puwede bang lumubog sa lupa, yung gano'n. Yung wala akong maramdaman so far kasi medyo bothered na ako, 'no? So let's check some more cards here. Again, Virgo, para po sa mga bago, don't forget, 'no, dun po sa ating Babaylan TV, dun po tayo nagla-live. Puwede kayong magtanong doon, 'no? Kung hindi niyo po maabutan, puwede naman kayong magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Kung wala dito ang inyong reading, baka nandun po, 'no? Meron din po tayo dun February the 8th to February the 14th, ibang reading po yun. Ngayon, kung hindi po kayo masasatisfied dito sa yes or no na sagot, dito po sa comment section, dumiretso na po kayo doon sa ating website. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Makikita nyo po yung question form, amount per question, name, number, QR code for your reference. No, please take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1. So that's discounted price. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So let's get some more cards here. What's the point of it all? I think that these energies coming from you. Ano nga bang rason bakit hiningi ko to? Ano nga bang rason ba't nararamdaman ko to? Ano nga bang rason bakit nandito ako sa sitwasyon na to? No, there's a lot of question. Ano nga ba nung hiningi ko bakit ganito yung nararamdaman ko? No, medyo naguguluhan ako. I need some answers. Let's get some message from the universe. Keep moving forward even if you are unsure of your next step or where it may take you. Trust that you are walking the path you are meant to walk. Remember, we are walking it with you. Trust yourself more. So parang sinasabi naman dito ng universe, probably this is the answer that we have been looking for, no? Hindi mo man daw alam kung ano itong tinatahak mong landas because of, people might have questions to the unknown. Of course, no, parang everyone. Pero sabi dito is huwag kang matakot, no? Dahan-dahan. As long as you're moving forward, no? Alam mong sa ikabubuti mo ito and you're being guided. Sabi naman dito, no? We are walking it with you. So, ibig sabihin kung meron kang pangamba, no? Huwag kang mangamba kasi you're being guided, guarded, no? By your spirit family, no, by your higher self, by the universe, by God, no, guardian angel, whatever you may want to call it. No? And sabi nga din ni Martin Luther King, no, you don't have to see the whole staircase. All you just need to do is to take the step. So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. These can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Leo, Taurus, Virgo, Scorpio, Capricorn. Did I just mention Pisces? Not yet. Sagittarius is here. Yeah, baka kapwa Virgo nga. Cancer, Scorpio. Yeah, so this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want the best of my heart, you just